Hello, hello. Okay, this is a little bit different for me, but we're going to be doing some skincare. I got the chance to check out this microinfusion system from Qure skincare. I have been doing microneedling off and on for years. I've read about infusing, but I'd never had the opportunity to try it. So when Qure reached out, I was very excited. I did receive this as PR. They wanted me to share my opinion and my thoughts on the process. So this is our first session. I'm going through the process. I'm sanitizing my face. I have sanitized my hands. I like to wear gloves when I microneedle or dermal roll, anything that really involves like infusing or piercing the skin. I recommend gloves and alcohol. Bottle was a little hard to open, so just make sure you remove that cap and pull off that rubber stopper. And I am making sure there's a 50% overlap, both from side to side and top to bottom. One of the biggest questions I get with derma rolling and stamping, microneedling is, does it hurt? And I would say the spiciest areas are going to be nose and lips and like the upper fulcrum between your lip and your nose. Makes you want to sneeze, like you're going to feel that kind of sensation when you do this. Make sure not to stamp over any broken skin or active like acne or breakouts. You don't want to spread that bacteria around the rest of your face. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back with a 3-month update.